binaka na ya mai na kalimukua ka misa rele binaka nito toka na kinire rai nakabakaliw na nung misa sanga mai muni mai tiko na doon na kanavataongo na kena sasanga takitiko doon na vakavakayana yung mandangana kalimukua ni mai rele tiko na vikasaya tiko ngome baleta na kena vakatuloy takit na vikalasi ni wuli enda may kanitis kinanggo kung rede ni doon na vaka vinaka baleta ni sabayan baki mai na nonra wuli tiko vango na ngoni ke senga ni ramaru vinaka se mera wuli vinaka se mera rongo vira nonra ngasi wuli baka vinaka baleta ni daun tandola tiko ngana vi curtain na vi lati reti ko may na vi rumutaleso tu sa bakabati ko ngona na WM na project ngo au sa baka vile vinakataksan nga o baka vile vinakatak na kalo baka vile vinakatakiro to na kena committee na msusa sana tata merto rakava indua na kame baleta na kalasi tolu tondo wuliti ko na rumulipo
Okay, the WM ministry is just like other ministries in the church. It's a special ministry that serves the needs of the church members, and over the years the WM has been involved in various projects, and this year committee has seen it fit to meet the needs of our children, particularly our Sunday school children, and this has to do with the partitions of the Sunday school classes in the fellowship hall, and providing a solid partitions is going to provide sound barriers to each of the 3 classes, so it helps block noise away from other classes, and more importantly not distract children from concentrating on the teachers. Right now there's curtains and there's a lot of distraction, so the committee has taken this upon itself to do a fundraising dinner. Your contribution is going to go a long way in meeting the needs of our children.
I give my life to.
And most of the time, especially from the other class, when they just want to come from this folks playing and looking into, because these are children, so you cannot stop them.
I give my life to the waters here.
You know, we can go with the curtains. You know, it will be real, yeah, especially noise reduction. If we had something solid, like in this case, a partition.
Yan akin samay na kanggo, meron nilati bakandoa, mengay bakanindua nga na rumu, itiko kinendua na kalasi. O bakambote ni nabinaka nga kisarabera ng wani, raw ni rabakarubong bakabinaka, ringa sinibul talaga, natanita ka na rin bakabuligi, nandua na rumu, natikon doon nga kinoko kasi nga, ni nanumataliti ko may bosera, may baligira to talakalas taliso.
What is his?
You know, I'd like to thank the committee, the hard-working committee that has worked tirelessly to make this Friday night dinner possible. I hope that you will enjoy the lovely menu put together by the ladies, but more importantly, think I'd like to thank everyone. Your willingness to be part of what God is doing at Calvary Temple during this time. Even more importantly, to be part of putting something together that will encourage the spiritual growth of our children. Thanks to everyone, and I hope that we can continue to work together in supporting the needs of the church and helping Calvary Temple grow, not just physically but spiritually as well.
Au toro na ngonongo e na buku na nei taltalang kasi ni walilo tuongo wakakina na taltala ni Sunday School na baka vinavina kaliw ni nomi niya kamay kakina vira tu na komiti ni WM na komiti ni Kanay na may bakadar chiko na kami ko na nono tu sa sanga me raka indio na ka me baleta na kena bakarumu taki baka vinaka na tolu na kalasi rawulitiko kinangone ena rumu lebu saranga enda kana titina na kabinikuwa gitu sa baka vinavinak sarkina baka lebu na tambana ni Sunday School ya Kalivali nung isulia na nung nilaw na nung ningona muniado mai enda mai di wasia bata nakaka na vinakasatu westo sa baka rauta katuna kena komite nakabaka lebu kimdo na marama na sasanga kilani na bakalungat na kindo na duranga na sasanga binakan do sasanga may kina ni raw kina ni baka butukan na taki na vika ilalaw takitiko